Hello guys, this is a power supply. It's not working, so let's try to find what's the problem with it. It has two output, 12 volt and 5 volt. This is the output cable. The middle two wire, it is minus. This one is 12 volt plus and this one is 5 volt plus. So let's check it. It burns the fuse. Its fuse is burnt. I soldered a wire, again it burned. So let's test it and see what's the problem with it. First of all, put the multimeter on diode mode, and this is the big capacitor. So let's first see inspection. Nothing, doesn't show any problem. So let's see, can we connect it to the AC or no? Can we plug it or no? First of all, check this capacitor, big one. It should show from one side, it should show the value, another side it should not show the value, or show the value for a few seconds, then OL. Let's see how it is doing. And here 5, it is showing a number, here again showing number. So we cannot connect it to the power because it shows number in both sides like this. It is not good. Something is wrong here. After this, let's check the rectifier bridge. From one side it should show the value, it's showing. Another side also showing the value, and going to 0, value, no value. Value. It's okay because from one side it shows the value, and from another side it doesn't show any value. This one is burned. So first let's change the fuse because it is burnt. but be sure it is not short and connected to the AC voltage. One side is out, another side also out. So let's change it. It is 3 ampere. I have another one. It's also 3 ampere, same. Let's change it. Went down. Okay, now it's okay. It's okay. And this one should be connected to here. It's okay. Now let's check the IC if it is shorted. No, it's not shorted. IC is good, no problem. If we check in continuous, it's not short. It's okay. And, what else should we check? I think in this side nothing more. The rectifier bridge is okay, and the self, it will not be broken, it will not be shorted. And let me check this diode. Choose value from both sides. I think it's the problem is from not from here, I think. This one, yeah, it is. This one is good because it shows value from one side. From one side, from this side doesn't show any value. Plus to minus and minus to plus, it shows the value. This one is okay. but this one is doubt here. I don't know what's the problem here. Check the autocoupler. Yeah, it's okay. The autocoupler is okay from one side. Shows value because it is diode inside it. From one side it shows the value, from another side it doesn't show. I think first of all let's change this capacitor. Okay, I think this is the problem. Yeah, this is out, and yeah, this is the one. 400 volt, 400 volt, 22 nanofarad. This one should be okay. Let me first let's check it. Minus to minus, plus to plus, should be 22 nanofarad. What? It's not good. It should be 22 nanofarad. I think it's not good. Let me check inside my box here. Oh, I have one here. This one should be good. 22, 20, near to 21. Yeah, this is okay. Near to 21. This one is okay. This is the minus side, this is the plus side. So should be like this. It is too big, comes out. Okay, let's solder it. Then check. It's okay. It's okay. Let's cut the extra. Yes. Okay, now let's check again. Check again. What it is doing. value, yeah, it's okay. If we change the probe, no problem, same value, no value, no value. When we check this capacitor, it means we check the rectifier bridge and the IC2. If this 2 is shorted, we should if it is shorted here or here, it will not show like this, one side value, another side no value. Now I think it's okay, because in one side it shows value, another side it does not show. So now we can plug it to the AC. Let me plug it. Yes, I have plugged it now, no problem, nothing exploded, nothing explode. Now let's check the voltage. The volts, what do we have? Be careful when you are doing job like this, because electricity is very dangerous. So now if we check the voltage in DC mode, in here we should have 230 something, yeah, 232 volt DC we have here. It means here in this part, okay, no problem, no short, it's not any short here. So now let's check the output. If we have output here, so this is minus, this is plus 5 volt, it's okay. This one should be 12 volt, 11.8, 11.8. A little bit, this one is less than enough, because it should be 12 or more than 12. 11.9. This one, the 12 one is a little weak, so let me do one thing, something. You know what's caused the problem? I think this is the 5 volt one capacitor. This one is the 12 volt. This one is I think it's weak. We have to change it. If we change it, the problem will be solved. So let's take out this one. We took out this one. Yeah, we took it from here. Okay, not from here. This one was empty here. So 470 nanofarad and 16 volt. 16 volt. Do I have something like that? This is a broken one. I have this one, 470, 25 volt. I think I can change it. No problem. Change this one with the one which is weak. Out. So let's check the one which I removed. Should be 470 nanofarad. 470 should be. Four 428, 430. It is weak. Let me check this one. Four 426, 520, 25. Oh, this one is very good. This one should be very good because it is 500 something. In here it's written 400, 470, but it is 500 something. It is very good, I think. Should be okay. Change it. This one. Oh, it's off. It is off. It is automatic. If we don't use it, it will be off after a few minutes, I think. Is it hot? Yes, 410. One side. Yes, okay. Now it's completely in. Now let's solder it. Where is it? I have lost it. Let me check from here. Right here. This is okay. And this one. It's okay. Now let's clean the flux. After soldering, must be cleaned because it will short. So let's plug it again and check the voltage if it's okay, if it is not blow up. Nothing blew up. Okay, let's check the voltage now. This is my no, not here, this one, minus plus, in here should be 12 volt. Yeah, now let's check 12.2